Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to do a CO test on the Mk1 Golf CIS system. So what does that mean? Well, we have this gas analyzer. There's a probe which we shove into the exhaust pipe of the car, and that will tell us the amount of CO2 or CO that this engine is producing. If we can get it dialed in between, let's just say between 1 to 2%, it'll mean that the engine is running most efficiently. It's burning as much of the fuel as it can. So that's what we're going to aim for. Okay, you can see that my engine is now currently up to temperature. So the fan is turning there. So that's a nice warm engine. And now we can take a good accurate test of how this car is performing. So what we've done is we've turned off the engine of the car. This is just turned on now, and it's just slowly warming itself up. It started there at I think 4% and it's slowly dropping all the time. When it gets down to 2, we will leave it and don't touch it and wait that it hopefully calibrates and is just happy at 2. If we just leave it and it just say drops down to 1.9 or 1.8 or stops at 2.2, we'll just leave it for maybe 4 or 5 minutes. If it hasn't dropped, we will then recalibrate it back to 2 so that we know it's exactly at 2%, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, it's after calibrating itself now to 2% and it's holding steady, so it's been like 3 or 4 minutes. It hasn't moved, so I'm happy now to say it's now calibrated to 2% CO. So we take the probe, shove it into the exhaust about halfway. Now just give it a few minutes just to calibrate and read it, but it's now currently reading 1.6. We can take our 3mm Allen key, get a good long one with a handle on top, and a little hole just there. You can drop it into it and you'll just feel when it binds. So currently, let's just say that's pointing at, say, what, 2 o'clock? That's 12, between 1 and 2 o'clock. So we will make very small fine adjustments and we will keep taking a reading. So let's see what it is now. So after going up there to 1.7, so we can adjust that plus and minus to get that to change. Using ChatGPT and a Google search, both of them suggested I need a CO reading around 0.5 to 2. So I'm going to aim for probably about 1.5. So taking my time and making some very slow adjustments, I got it down to 1.5% CO. Yep, sounds like it's running. So one thing I do know is probably the RPM is a little bit low just for idle, so there's a little adjustment screw back there. So using a number 7, there's a little screw back there, just twist it, brought the RPM up a little bit. Ah yeah, somewhere about there looks to be correct. About 800 RPM is where I like to keep it. So if I just flip the throttle, you can see there's 2 little dashes there above the 10, north and south of the 10. And basically I like to keep it about the 800 mark, which is just a little dash underneath the 10. Yep, I'm happy with that. So there you go, that's how you set the CO on the Mk1 Golf. So my car still isn't running quite right. It's okay here, but when I bring it out the road, it just sounds a little bit gutless. I don't know what's wrong with it, but at least from the previous videos, we now know it's not the fuel pumps, it's not the warm-up regulator, and it's not the CO adjustment. So we're gonna stay poking away at it, see what else can it be. But for this video, that's where we're gonna hold it there. So thanks very much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe over there. As always, guys, see you later.